Hi everyone, come with me to make some delicious chicken flautas. For this recipe you'll need 5 chicken breasts, half an onion, a whole garlic head, some salt. You'll also be needing oil, corn tortillas, queso fresco, sour cream, and lettuce. Here I have my 16 cups of water. I'm gonna add my chicken breast and half an onion and whole entire head of garlic. Half an onion and garlic. We're also going to be adding salt to your taste. Now we're going to leave the chicken cooking for approximately 1 hour, and once it's already good and cooked, we're going to come back and shred the chicken. Okay, now I got my cheese and my lettuce ready. Let's save it for later and let's go check how the chicken is doing. When the chicken is almost ready, I like to take out this foam because I feel like the chicken gets cooked clean. Okay guys, the chicken is ready. We're gonna take it out and shred it. Now that our chicken is cooked, we're gonna start by shredding it. Okay guys, I got my chicken shredded and I got some tortillas over here. They're warm. You have to warm them up so they don't break. I've got a pan to fry the flautas in. We're gonna add some oil and then place the flautas very carefully in the pan. Okay guys, our flautas are ready now and we're going to be adding the toppings. We're going to be adding sour cream, cheese, salsa. You can find the recipe for this green salsa in my channel. We're also going to be adding lettuce. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for coming with me to prepare flautas. I'll see you next time.